So here we'll be discussing dashboard widgets. I keep on repeating myself about widgets report. It's all about familiarity. As you get familiar on the terminologies, right, it will come second to you. Being an expert is basically repetitively doing one thing until you have the art of perfection, right? So let's move forward. So you'll see here as you as you have created a dashboard earlier and depending on how you named it. So on the article was my API dashboard. And the upper right, you will see a plus sign. And on that plus sign, right, you will see here on the left, you could do a search in the filter and the created reports, basically, you could click it, right, and add it, right? So basically the skill here is trying to understand what are the related information that needs to be seen by a persona in a dashboard. Like, so you have to take it in the view. A good example here, if you are a car driver, right, you have a dashboard, right? And that dashboard, you will see your speeds, your petrol, right? Your battery, your engine performance, and so on. So operationally, you need to have a picture. So normally, as an admin or developer, we will rely on personas in the operations. You need them, right, to decide what needs to be there, right? And ServiceNow has out of the box dashboards already that you could replicate, right? And explain to them that this is the best practices according to ServiceNow experience, right? So, but here you get to learn how to build them, right? So you can also change the color. So you can see here these are color codes, so you can always Google them. So sharp and how many Fs is this one? Is white, right? So the color will be white, the dashboard background, right? And you could basically also use this button here where you could adjust the color, right? So as we move forward, you will see also some few features of the dashboard where you could increase the heights, right? And go to a report designer, which we tackled on our previous lessons, and configure the widget and so on, right? So to be able to be good at this, right, is to get your hands dirty, right? So we'll have an exercise later on, and this is more of familiarity, right, on what are the features available in a dashboard and the report, right? So it's quite self-explanatory. So you'll see here that will it have a border, a header? Is it left aligned and so on, right? So always be granular. Read it once, read it twice, read it three times. Make sure you have the details, right? So my students normally get lost on the details, right? It's no harm reading it so many times as long as it's the perfection, right? Being able to improve the quality is basically going back and forth, right, and checking your own work and verifying. You keep on proving yourself and verifying, making sure before you present it to your clients. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video.